I believe in the spices of life. I believe in dessert after every meal. I believe the cheeseburger can be your best friend or your worst enemy. I believe dinner time is the most important bit of the day. Good evening. It's dinner time.
Good evening. It's dinner time. This video is from my favorite YouTuber, Jace. Let's see. Today I'd like to give a shout out to Carlos M. I got a call from FaceTime from him this afternoon, and we got talking a little bit. And good to hear from you. And he invited me to a golfing trip, which I'm ready. I don't think I'm ready, but thanks for that as well. No boom time, no birthdays that I'm aware of, but if it is your birthday, I hope you're having a great one. Today we got a brace of Coneys. I don't know, I think Cincinnati when I think of the chili and cheese dog, but Coney dog or just a straight up chili and cheese dog, chili dog with cheese, what have you. I was going to go with the Skyline chili, but they're a little pricey. So I went with Hormel. Normally I go with beans, but for like the Cincinnati hot dogs anyway, they do no beans. So give her a shot anyway. I know how that tastes. It's gonna be good. Pepsi or Coca-Cola for sip. I'm gonna try to use my hands on these guys, but I brought a fork and knife just in case it gets too messy. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's a fine hot dog. It's just the right amount of messy. It's a beef and cheddar smoked sausage Johnsonville. The chili is Hormel. I might have wish I would have sprung the extra couple bucks and got the Skyline, which it's not my favorite either. It's a little sweet, but still, if you know what you're expecting with this Hormel, I was giving it a try. Wasn't sure what I was expecting. I've had better. The cheddar cheese, though, I made the plate of shredded cheese and I set it off to the side, and I was gonna save some for a little pick and eat for the show, but it didn't quite make it. Once I put the cheese on the hot dogs, I was like, oh, there's really not enough for that, so I'm just gonna finish that off. Gotta have my cheese. kind of eating or having dinner time a little early. It's in between two NFL playoff games. I just finished watching Tampa Bay win. Sorry to the Green Bay fans out there. Not really. A little bit. You know, like in the past, I didn't like Tom Brady, but it turns out it's more. I didn't really like the Patriots, which you can't argue. He's definitely up there, one of the best. I mean, he's no Russell Wilson or anything like that, or Lamar Jackson for that matter, but he's good. And after dinner time, I'm probably going to watch a little of the Kansas City game, Buffalo Bills. That, yeah, who the heck are the Buffalo Bills? We'll see. So around breakfast time, uh, I was finishing the interview, which I started watching yesterday while I was doing my bike ride and stuff. And once I finished it, I started looking at the cast and what have you. And for some reason, it led me to the Jesus roles. Um, the Jesus being the character from The Big Lebowski, um, which I heard about it. Maybe saw a thing, a post or two on Facebook a while back. I was like, all right, well, let me, at least watch the trailer. Turns out it was only $5 to buy it, so I went ahead and bought that, watched that, and it's pretty good. It's definitely no Big Lebowski, but can't really compare it to those two movies. Totally different movies, that's for sure. But it's worth a watch, and I'll probably watch it a few more times in the near future. The Jesus Man. Excuse me. Mm. Mm. So not the best chili, but still, in total, it was a good hot dog. Am I going that style of Hormel again? Not, probably not, but still quick and easy to make, so not bad. I'm not complaining that much. Well, that was some good dinner, but dinner time is over. Peace.
Nailed it. 现在是万看新人烦恼，我喜欢。This is Rainbow Cake and I approve this video. Please like and share.